So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Feeling stressed about your exams? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT to study smarter, understand key concepts, and even generate your own practice questions. So study smarter, exam preps with ChatGPT. So let's be real. Traditional studying can be kind of boring and overwhelming. You've got notes, books, maybe a few flashcards, but no one to quiz you or break things down. So that's where ChatGPT comes in. Think of it like your personal Twitter, who is available 24/7. It explains concepts, tests your knowledge, and adapts your level. So first, go to the ChatGPT website and log in. So here I'm using ChatGPT for all model. So let's say, for example, you're studying biology and you want to study with your ChatGPT to make sure that you understand it very well. So let's go ahead and prompt it and give it a prompt. I'm studying biology for my high school exam, so help me revise the basics of the cell structure. Look at that. Once you've given it a topic, it will go ahead and start creating the questions for you. They breaks down what is a cell, has defined it, the main parts of animal cell, has given you the parts in plant cell, has given you differences between plants and animal cells and all that. Look at that, you have prokaryotic cells, has given you quick tips to remember mitochondria, you have nucleus, chloroplast, cell membrane, ribosomes, and all that. So ChatGPT will summarize it in just plain English. So if it's too technical, just say explain it like I am a 12-year-old. Like for example, just I request it to break it down. Explain this like I'm 12, and it will simplify it for you. Just simple. So let me just uh, give it that. Then it will go ahead and do that. Sure, here's the simple version. So it has written like the one in your body, plants like the ones in leaves and all that. It has explained everything down for you very nicely. So you can even request ChatGPT to generate practice questions when you're studying to make sure that you can test yourself and see your capability. So look at that. You give it a prompt, give me 10 multiple choice questions on cell structure with answers. Look at that. So it has given you the questions. So you can answer these questions and compare the answers. The answers are down here. So look at that. Now that you've got your own quizzes, you can even ask, remove the answers so that I can test myself, or say, make the questions more harder, and it will raise the difficult level, the difficultness. You can also ask it to create the flashcards for you on your topic. Let's do that. Go ahead and create the flashcards to help me remember biology terms. So it will do just that for you. So look at that just in a minute. It's great for memorizing facts, formulas, and vocabularies, especially in science, history, and languages. It has given you the cell, the nucleus, the flashcard. Look at that biology flashcard cell structure. So you can take this, download it, put it in your Excel to make sure that it's nice. So if you're feeling confident, you can even ask it to give you like something like 10 mock exam, and so that it does not include the answers. Then once you've done answering, you go back and ask it to give you the answers. So give me 10 questions mock exam on cell biology and include the answers until I finish. Don't include the answers until I finish. So look at that. So you will go ahead and answer these questions down one by one. Then you request it, now provide the answers. Now provide the answers. Now once it provides the answers, you can compare the answers that it has given and what you did. So you can check your score and even ask ChatGPT, explain why number 4 is wrong, or teach me how the logic behind the correct answer. Tell me every just simple things. So you can play around with it. If you fail the question, you can ask it to clarify more. Now, whether you are cramming the night before, studying a little each day, ChatGPT makes exam preps less stressful and way more effective. So learn, practice, master, with ChatGPT. Remember, learn, practice, master with ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more smart study tips. Got an exam coming up? Drop the subject below and I will show you how to prep with ChatGPT. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.